Hello, little friends. Look at the left side of the screen. Do you see someone? It's our bunny friend, having fun at the amusement park. We're so curious. Let's call him out to tell us all about his adventure. Bunny? Bunny?
Hi everyone, here I am. I played so many games and ate yummy snacks too. Now I'll tell you all the fun things I played. In English, let's read along together. Let's go! Slide, slide, slide. Swing, swing, swing. Seesaw, seesaw, seesaw. Merry-go-round, merry-go-round, merry-go-round. Ferris wheel, Ferris wheel, Ferris wheel. A big spinning wheel that lifts us up high so we can see everything from above. Roller coaster, roller coaster, roller coaster. Wow, the roller coaster makes my heart beat fast because of strong forces. When it goes down fast, I feel like I'm flying. That's acceleration. Bumper cars, bumper cars, bumper cars. Climbing frame, climbing frame, climbing frame. Ball pit, ball pit, ball pit. Sandbox, sandbox, sandbox. Trampoline, trampoline, trampoline. Zip line, zip line, zip line. Tunnel, tunnel, tunnel. Water slide, water slide, water slide. Before we can play all these fun games, we need to buy a ticket first. Let's get our tickets and start the fun. Ticket booth, ticket booth, ticket booth.
Did you enjoy the adventure with Bunny? So now we've learned all the games Bunny played, in English. You did amazing, everyone.
Great job! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay with us, because more awesome lessons are waiting for you every week. See you again, language stars. Bye-bye.